It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get fired in this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she wanna suck on the dick.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing my new iPhone 11. So if you guys are interested in seeing it, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Okay, so currently I film with my 7 Plus. So this box is opened. I did get the purple one, which is the 64 gigabytes. Okay, right here. It is open because I had to go and pick it up. I did have to pre-order it. Anyways, I did have to pre-order it and wait a few days for it to come in. And then when they got it, I had to pay the activation fee and have it put on my phone account, which is Metro PCS. But anyways, this is the box. It is this pretty purple color. Even the word iPhone is actually in purple, which is pretty cool. So, yeah. I also have it in a case in here, and it has kind of been set up briefly. So we're going to take a look at this first in a second. Inside my box is just my SIM thing. This, which is just your information about your phone. Oh, and the Apple stickers, which I keep all my Apple stickers from every phone that I've had that was from Apple. I also got a a new pair of earbuds. Comes in the box. And it, okay, I just wanted to, yeah. It is the one that has the little charger type port. So these, I needed new ones. I actually just bought the ones I had not too long ago, but I think my cat got a hold of them. So yeah, also inside the box you get the charging block, which is standard basic. You can excuse my son, he has an attitude and he keeps doing this on purpose. Anywho, the lightning cable, which is also good because I just bought a new cable the other day and the cord is literally this freaking long. So in order to use my phone when it's on the charger, it is a pain. So yeah, and that is everything that comes inside the box. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at the phone. Okay, like I said, I do have it briefly set up a little bit. I also got a case for it, but I'll show you that in a second. So this here is the purple iPhone 11. Okay. It's beautiful purple. Like, I'm gonna turn the brightness up and then bring it closer. Like, it is a beautiful purple. Like, it's almost like a lavender purple. Let me turn that back down. Ooh. And so far, it actually has a lot of weight to it. It's actually, in my opinion, a little bit heavier than my 7 Plus. I'm not sure if I'm just like hallucinating. So yeah, I will show you my front screen. Okay. Wait, this button. Okay, I do have some of my apps on here. It is not really set up completely, but like I said, there is a couple. I did enable Face ID because you no longer have the touch home button. So it is enabled. What you do is you swipe up right here from the bottom and it unlocks it. ASMR. Like I said, I do have a few apps on here already, just the basics that I use. I have my work app, which I'm a caregiver, so I have to have that. Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat. Clue is a period tracking app, so I keep a hold of that. And also M&T is obviously my bank. So yeah, like I said, those are the only apps that I have downloaded on here so far. I've played with it a little. It is going to take some getting used to because I'm used to like pushing up here for the control center, but you actually have to do it right here in this corner and drag it down, which is a little weird to me, but I'll get used to it. The camera on here, I actually took a picture as soon as I walked out of the Metro store because it was raining, and it actually is pretty good. Let me see. It's like hard to show you. Like, the quality is like perf. There we go, a little bit. There we go, kinda, sorta. I'll just insert it if it's blurry, I'm sorry. Obviously, the front camera I love, you know, because you have portrait mode, which, as you know, can, oh, hello. As you know, can do different things. You have like natural lighting. I love this new feature. That's actually why I wanted it, honestly, is the portrait mode and the camera, because you can do all kinds of stuff with it. You know what I mean? I will actually show you like a little bit of how the camera and everything works on the phone once I'm done, you know, talking to the camera here. But anyways, I did pick up a case, like I said. Where's the box? It is the Division series case. It's like a really durable case. This was like, my case costed oh no, that was the fee, $16.99 for the phone case. I did order another case on Amazon. It'll be here in a couple days, but I just needed something to put on the phone, that way I didn't drop it. So I got this. This is what the case looks like. It's just this basic, really kind of durable case. It's like black and gold. I don't know if you can tell it's gold, but it's definitely gold. I'm gonna put that back on the phone because I just dropped the phone on the floor. Thank God I'm already sitting on the floor. Okay. So, oh, I forgot to mention that the lock button right here is a little bigger than the other iPhone. I usually keep my phone on silent, so it is very easy to get dirty. Like, you can see all the fingerprints and stuff on here. Yikes, pretty dirty. So, okay, as I mentioned, I did have to pre-order my iPhone because they did not have it in store. I paid for the phone itself was $699.99, and after tax and everything, the phone was $741.99. So as you know, iPhones can be pretty expensive. Here's my receipt. Not like you really needed to see that, but for that I also had to pay an $18 an $18 fee. It's I forget what she said the $18 is actually for. I guess it's like an activation or something, I'm assuming. Like I said, I had to pay that, and that's that. So altogether, I spent $776.94. Now, for my iPhone 7, when I bought it, it was $799.99, and then my 6 Plus was like $7 or $8.99 as well. So, I'm used to spending a lot of money on a phone for no freaking reason, because there was actually nothing wrong with my my iPhone 7 Plus and the other phone that I had with Metro. There's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted an upgrade, you know. It is what it is. Okay, so this here is the box. Like I said, it is a beautiful purple color, and even the word iPhone is in purple. See if I can get it to, yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, and this here is the phone. just it is so cool. Here is the charger port and speaker. Right there. The SIM slot. The lock button. This, I usually keep this off. It puts it on vibrate. And the volume up and down button. Okay. Oh, got a notification. Okay, so like I said, you have to pull this down to access the oh my goodness, there we go, to access the percentage Metro PCS. I do have it on my Wi-Fi as well, so yeah, that's that. And to go home, you just swipe up like that. Now to show you the picture I took earlier, it's a little bit like, it looks really good in portrait mode. I will actually just open up camera for you. Here, I'll just take a picture of this box. Okay, that's a regular picture. The quality is actually pretty good. Don't mind my floor and everything. I will also insert all of these photos that I'm taking. And then go click here and click portrait. There's the phone. It's just sitting up on this stuff I have stacked here. But you have natural. I'm just gonna flip it over and use it portrait like this. Portrait. So you have natural. So we're gonna just take these pictures for you. Here is the photo I just took. Oh, here it is. There. Yeah, it blurs out my carpet and everything. That cord is actually my ring light sitting here on the floor. So, like I said, this is, you know, how it works. I will put my Instagram here for you guys in case you want to follow me. Right here, I have 2 Instagrams. I have this one and my other one right here, Makeup by Stargan. Okay. I also have my Snap code if you want it. So yeah, you guys, I'm still kind of getting used to the phone. I like how fast it is. I do enjoy the phone so far. So it's definitely gonna have to stay in the case because you get your fingerprints on it very easily. The cameras are like amazing looking, like they did so well on creating this phone. It is like, okay, so I'm just gonna put it back in this case, which is very, very hard to open. And I'm so used to the time being over here, but it's on the left side. So again, here's the case. You can see it a little bit better. So thanks for watching. Okay, so that was me unboxing my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And like always, I love you guys.